Right. So you can see my S&P 500 chart here. I showed it to you guys. I've been showing this to you guys as a key resistance on this lower band of the previous channel. I think it's something to really monitor here, and if we can break up above this level, the retest of the high, and not simply. If we just place an alert here, this will be the key pivot point, in my opinion, for a breakout. Okay. And that'll be a key breakout going back into the structure that we had, the channel. And I think then we can kind of build some serious momentum. We saw some buy-in yesterday, but we've seen sell-in in the previous days. So we're experiencing volatility at the moment. One day up, one day down, couple of days up, couple of days down. There's no real direction yet in the markets. And that's where that kind of choppy market will really eat away at your account. If you're a long-term investor, maybe not so much because you can kind of hold through. But if you're a swing trader, if you're a day trader, that will be eating away at your profits. It's done that with me a little bit. I was up around 106% a couple of weeks ago, and we've kind of dropped a little bit in the last 2 weeks. Now, this is the key pivot point. We break up to new all-time highs, and then we move, I think, to around 6.8. That's my opinion if we break up. Now, if we don't and we break the recent lows around this level, I think we have a high probability that we then end up going to a lower low and then get that 5% drop that I've mentioned a few times here on my channel. This is what I'm expecting. This is how I'm managing the situations at the moment in the markets. I am predominantly cash right now. So I'm holding I'd say about 80% cash, 20% invested. And then in crypto, I'm 100% cash. And I've been 100% cash in crypto since the 22nd of September. So I haven't actually faced any drawdown due to the volatility that we experienced on the 10th of October. And I've shared this over the course of the last few weeks on the channel, but as well as my Discord group and other social medias. Now, this is something to monitor. Those are the two zones. I already mentioned it. We have to watch those zones for the break up or down, okay? Very, very crucial here that we decide during this period, maybe the next few days. Today might be a decisive day because of the CPI data, but I think the real decisive event will be the Fed interest rate decision. This will be a precursor, a warm-up to that event. NASDAQ, again, I'm looking for that break above for me to really feel like we're going to get a move higher in the markets. The kind of the break below this level, and if we can draw this trend line here, this level will be key as well. Okay, so we're kind of monitoring now multiple levels and zones that I think algorithms are buying, and these are kind of the levels that we're looking at. So even if we break above, we still have this resistance on the 25.6 level. So it could be a dull market, could be with a number of kind of fake outs, and it could end up being a very similar setup, like I mentioned before, to November, December of last year with Wyckoff distributions and, signs that we're going to go bullish and then sell-offs. Maybe some unexpected events, and we are seeing that already this month with a number of different events that have happened geopolitically and economically for the US and globally. The Russell very similar here, slight consolidation. So we're kind of looking at break up above this level. I mean, I draw them on the daily, but you can go down on the 1 hourly or the 4 hourly or the 8 hourly, whatever hourly you want to go, and you can kind of see that structure developing there as well, as you can see here. Do you see? So it's a breakout of the lower timeframes in reality. So that'll be the kind of the bullish momentum there will kick in around that level, and that will take small caps, growth stocks to a new level. We've already broken all-time highs, and I've always expected this year that we would probably get around. I thought maybe around 30%. So maybe we moved to 2,700 or even higher here. So very, very, very key moment right now in the markets.